Yo, what's up? This is Aewon Wolf. If you don't know who I am, this is what it's all about. How to make it in the South African music industry. Dun 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 dun. Step 1 is to subscribe to this channel. So press that button and subscribe and like and share. Step 2, this is the most simple, but for some people the hardest, but a very important factor. It's know who you are. There's honestly nothing more frustrating than coming across an artist who doesn't know who they are. You need to be authentic. People can see through it when you're trying to be someone else. Plus, there's no fun in being someone else because they're already doing them before you. And you'll always be second place to who they are. So it's important for you to find who you are and stick to that and do that better than anyone else can. Step 3, know your audience. Not everyone's going to like you, and you need to accept this fact. So you need to find the people that are going to like you and going to support you. This is an important factor in having a sustainable career as a musician. You need to know who your audience is. Stop trying to appeal to everyone, but appeal to the people that are most likely to support you and like what you're doing. Don't try to do mass scattergun approach, which sometimes works, but in the long run is not so sustainable. The trick in finding the people that like you or your audience is knowing yourself. So go back to step 2. To find that audience is to find yourself in the audience. The people that will probably like your music are probably the same people that will like the stuff that you like. So this is a key factor in finding who your audience is. Think of yourself and what you like. Step 4, connect who you are with your audience. So basically, step 4 is connecting step 2 and 3 together. This step is super vital if you want a sustainable music career. You can't have one without the other. So you could be the best musician who knows who they are, makes the best music, but if you're not connecting with your audience, you cannot sustain a career. It's okay to be a musician that just makes music for yourself or your friends or for your own entertainment. For the longest time, I made music for myself. It was a form of therapy, a form of entertainment. It was a way of keeping my brain sharp. I enjoyed it. It was for myself. And there's nothing wrong with doing music for these purposes. Actually, we need more musicians who do that. But if you want to have a career in the music industry and make money, you need to make sure you connect who you are, your music, with your audience. And yet again, most true musicians make that mistake. Connection. Don't complain if you're not connecting. It's on you to do that. For the purposes of this blog, stay tuned to the next episode, because the next episode I get practical. Go back home, digest everything I've just said, and make sure you know who you are, you know who your audience is, and you know how to connect with your audience. I'll go deeper into the practical ways of doing this in further episodes, but for now, you need to go back and digest. A lot of food for thought there. This is just the foundation. So stay tuned, subscribe so you check out the next episode where I can show you exactly how to make it into the music industry. But until then, until the next episode, stay tuned. Aware.